I'm setting up for my next trade right now, but boy, is it a risky one. And let's go ahead and break it down. So yesterday I had pretty good success going into SQQQ with a quick little day trade. I walked away with $4,000, and that was because it became very oversold, and then it had a really nice recovery to highs of 1840. Today, we are testing that same support level. Let me go on this 5-minute time frame. Testing the same support range, but now our resistance range is not as high, right? And that is right around 1819, 1818. But even if the goal is 1815, it doesn't matter, right? We have overall lows, overall highs. Just wanted to make you guys aware of the trade that I'm setting up for. I'm waiting for confirmation. And again, I'm going to keep my LPP team up to date on when I choose to enter and when I choose to average up. The MACD and the RSI all look pretty good right here. One thing that I want to make you guys aware of is that I plan on live streaming it, but I'll leave it up to you guys if this video gets over 1,000 likes, which is a big ask because it's going to happen pretty soon. At 2 p.m. Eastern time, Jerome Powell is supposed to go live and have an open discussion. It's going to be very interesting to see how this influences the overall market, right? Again, a big focus right now for the overall stock market is just monetary policy that the Federal Reserve controls. And depending if he sounds dovish, which means no need to raise rates, or if he sounds hawkish, let's raise more rates, right? Will determine if the market goes up or down, right? If the Federal Reserve wants to continue to raise rates, the market normally reacts in a negative way. If Jerome Powell reacts or shows any type of sentiment that he's more dovish, there's no more need to raise rates, then the market should go up. And what a beautiful setup for that, because if you look at the overall NASDAQ market on this 1 hour time frame, right, after a really strong rally, we're testing a previous resistance range, and now it's literally coming down to the wire. Are we going to continue to show signs of progress on the upside, or are we going to break below the EMA line on this 1 hour time frame and begin to sell off? I think today will kind of determine that. We've kind of been trading sideways up until this point. I'm just ready. And I feel like I know I can't be the only one. I'm just tired of this sideways market. It's been so boring. And if it wants to go up, let's go up, right? I just want to go long and I want to see signs of progress. If it goes down, I'm ready to short the crap out of the market. I just need proper confirmation. So I wanted to make you guys aware, 2 p.m. Eastern time, or if you're in Arizona like me, it's going to be 12 p.m., which is the afternoon, right? Mountain Standard Time, or 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I know it's all over the place, very confusing due to daylight savings. And then last thing that I want to make you guys aware of is initial claims and continuing claims. Initial claims coming in a little bit lower than what was expected, which means less people are filing for unemployment than what was expected versus the 220K. But week over week, we actually saw an increase, so kind of contradicting. And then tomorrow we have the Treasury budget and the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report. But again, have no fear. I will keep you guys up to date. All I ask you to do is to subscribe to the channel, and I will take care of the rest with all the different market updates that are going to be happening. And again, I do want to live stream the Jerome Powell speech, but I'll leave it up to you guys. I just want to make sure enough people show up. Drop a thumbs up, get this video to over 1,000 likes, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so YouTube alerts you when it is that I go live. If you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate. Shoot me a direct message right now via Discord, and that's the first link in the description down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.